Whoa. Seen this? That's looking bad out there. That's looking bad. So I'm gonna close the door here. So don't get blown away. Oh man. Whoa man. It's looking bad out there. It's looking bad out there. Yeah, it seems it's supposed to get hard. It's supposed to get hit hard tonight. Hopefully there's not. It's gonna be hit on other places too. Get that to go in it. Oh boy. Yeah, rain earlier today. It's gonna rain again. It's supposed to rain tonight, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Boy, this is gonna suck. But I think we need the rain anyway. What the fuck? Why does it blur like that?